I guess we can start. I hope everybody can hear me. So, welcome to the awards announcement ceremony. This brings to a conclusion our various events, the organization-wide Innovation Award, the Global Benchmarking Network's Global Benchmarking Award, the ESG Excellence Award, and of course, the International Best Practice Competition. I wish to thank all the organisers, which are the Centre for Organisational Excellence Research, the BPR.com, and the GBN's Global Benchmarking Network. Once again, I would also like to thank all the supporters of our various events and awards for promoting them and also providing jury members to the various events. And we look forward to their assistance in 2026. Just as a reminder for everybody, all participants will receive verified certificates and badges with their star ratings by the 22nd of September 2025, if it all goes to plan. So I certainly hope we can achieve that. All participants are given 1 year complimentary access to the BPR.com. You should already have that. If not, please let me know or Ahmed Abbas at BPR.com know. And we already have many award entries already hosted on the website that you can look at and enjoy and learn from. So you could go and have a look to see whether your best practice is there already. We will also contact you in the next couple of weeks to see whether you'd like to schedule a meeting with my team to understand more about how we can help you to generate new best practices to enter the competition in 2026, and also inform you of other sort of services we provide to help you on your best practice and benchmarking and business excellence journey. And we can also provide additional feedback if you would like in terms of your best practice entries and award entries for 2025. With that, this is the agenda for today. You can see it's quite a long agenda, quite a lot to get through. We're going to just rush through it. We're going to go through it one by one. So we're not going to waffle around. We're just going to go through and announce the various award winners. So I'll be announcing the winners for the Organisation-Wide Innovation Award, the winner of the GBN's Global Benchmarking Award, the winner of the ESG Excellence Award, the winner of New Zealand's Best Practice Competition, where New Zealand organisations join the International Best Practice Competition and then get recognised for their achievements. We'll also we've already announced the winners of the 7-star best practices. They were announced, I think, on the 25th or 26th of August. And we also announced at that time, I think it was 9 6-star best practices. But in this session, we're going to announce more 6-star best practices. So there are more to come that we'll be announcing today. We'll also announce the highest star rating for an SME. We'll also announce the winners of our various category excellence awards. We'll also announce the winners of our Pioneer and Excellence prizes. And we'll also announce our new certificate, which is a certificate of distinction for those organizations that have had 3 or more international best practices. Therefore, best practices that rate as 5 stars or above. With that, let's begin. So our first announcement is for the 7th Organisation-Wide Innovation Award. The Organisation-Wide Innovation Award certification scheme is shown here, and this represents how those applicants were assessed, with 5 stars and above indicating an innovation approach right across the organisation that warrants recognition at an international level. Therefore, their innovation approach will be of interest to other organizations around the world. The final was held on Monday, the 1st of September. We wish to thank our 4 jury members, Dr. Sunil Gupta, Carrie Marr, Rob Wally, and Jeremy Cox. These were the 4 finalists, Almis.
Yes. Ministry of Energy and Infrastructure, UAE, Dubai Municipality, UAE, Mohammed bin Rashid Housing Establishment, UAE, and Central Gawar Producing Department, Saudi Aramco, Saudi Arabia.
And the winner is
Mohammed bin Rashid Housing Establishment, United Arab Emirates, with a 7-star achievement.
Congratulations. And I should smile when I say that. And the runner-up is
Dubai Municipality, United Arab Emirates, with a 6-star achievement.
Congratulations. Moving on to the 10th Global Benchmarking Network, GBN's Benchmarking Award, Global Benchmarking Award for 2025. Again, this is the criteria that was used with 5 stars and above, meaning that their benchmarking approach right across the whole organization is at an international level if it's more than 5 stars and above. With that said, the final was held on Tuesday, the 2nd of September. Our jury members were Dale Weeks, Suresh Lola, Tanis Van Dam, Dr. Maren Dulat, and Teresa Bagaman, all representing the Global Benchmarking Network. The 2 finalists were
Ajman Police General Headquarters, UAE, and Al Dhafra Region Municipality, UAE.
And the winner is
Ajman Police General Headquarters, United Arab Emirates, with a 6-star achievement.
Again, congratulations. Well done indeed. And the runner-up is
Al Dhafra Region Municipality, United Arab Emirates, with a 5-star achievement.
Again, congratulations. Now moving on to the 4th Environmental, Social and Governance Excellence Award 2025. Again, with 5 stars representing an ESG approach at an international level. The final was held yesterday on Tuesday, the 9th of September. Our jury members were Professor Gabrielle Owegi, Dr. Ayman Sajjad, Samia Rockgiri, and Dr. Ray Fremister. The finalists were
RS Sasol Polymer Company, Iran, Aster DM Healthcare, UAE, Environment Agency, Abu Dhabi, UAE, Dubai Municipality, UAE, Etihad Rail, UAE, and Roads and Transport Authority, UAE.
And the winner is
Etihad Rail, United Arab Emirates, with a 6-star achievement.
Congratulations. That was a very, very tough final. Outstanding applications from all the applicants there. And the runner-up is
RS Sasol Polymer Company, Iran, Aster DM Healthcare, UAE, Environment Agency, Abu Dhabi, UAE, Dubai Municipality, UAE, and Roads and Transport Authority, UAE, with a 5-star achievement.
So the ESG final was very strong, and there's three major components to that: environmental, social, and governance. And so you had outstanding performance, sometimes by one of the applicants in one of the areas, another applicant in the other area, and another applicant in the other area. Then you also have the results area too. And this is why, after evaluating all that, then we had actually 5 considered. The jury just could not split them in the runners-up position. And we had the one outstanding winner at the 6 stars. We then move on to the 6th New Zealand Best Practice Competition 2025. Again, using exactly the same format for the International Best Practice Competition, with 4 stars representing a New Zealand class winner and 5 stars and above international class winner. There were 2 joint winners, of which
FMG New Zealand for their best practice, life and health insurance, advice creation review with the 5-star excellence.
And secondly,
Westpac New Zealand Limited, New Zealand for their best practice, operational excellence program with a 5-star excellence achievement.
once again, big congratulations. Now to more announcements for the International Best Practice Competition. Again, you're all familiar with the star ratings here. So let's begin. Wish to thank all the jury members. You must appreciate the tremendous effort they put into the competition, spending their own free time reading the written applications, watching the presentations, coming up with good questions for the Q&A session, and then following on that with a consensus meeting to decide on a star rating for all of the applicants. In total, we had 15 7-star best practices, of which I said they'd previously been announced, but we'll share them again. But now we also have 17 6-star best practices. Previously, we'd announced 9 of them. Now we're announcing 8 more of them. So these were the 7-star best practices announced on the 26th of August. So just you don't need to read these out on this.
Yeah.
These were all read out before, just let you having a look at them if you've not seen them before. And then we'll look at the 6-star best practice, which were also announced on the 26th of August. And so what we're going to do now is announce the new 6-star best practices, which are going to add to these ones that have already been announced. So 6-star best practices means that they're at a perceived outstanding level by the jury. So let's begin. The first 6-star recipient is
Smart LED road lighting for sustainable urban infrastructure by Fujairah Municipality, United Arab Emirates.
The second 6-star recipient is
Strategies to shorten long-term hospital stays by Dhahran Long-Term Care Hospital, Saudi Arabia.
The third 6-star recipient is
Your Voice is Your Safety by Fujairah Police Headquarters, United Arab Emirates.
The fourth 6-star recipient is
Case Management Framework for Improved Patient Flow and Outcomes by Dammam Medical Complex, Saudi Arabia.
The fifth 6-star recipient is
From Digital Foundation to Centralized Planning Excellence by Abu Dhabi Ports, United Arab Emirates.
The next 6-star recipient is
Honoring the Deceased by Ajman Police General Headquarters, United Arab Emirates.
And the next is
AI for Optimizing Cybersecurity by Dubai Culture and Arts Authority, United Arab Emirates.
And the last is
Dubai Central Laboratory for Certification Processes and Services by Dubai Municipality, United Arab Emirates.
So once again, congratulations. We're now going to move on to the highest star rating for an SME. And an SME for this classification is 50 or less employees. We have 2 joint winners for this particular award. And these are
Datamatics Eswatini Private Limited, Eswatini, for their best practice, GIS and MIS for water-based management with a 5-star achievement.
And the second winner is
FlowNet Inc., China, for their best practice, the localization of open source software with a 5-star achievement.
so wonderful best practices. Congratulations to you both. And now we're moving on to the 21 categories of excellence prizes. So just to remind you that the way this is done is that you are all allocated particular webinar sessions to present at based on categories that closely met your best practice. But we also understand that many of those best practices are related to more than one category. So most best practices are generally related to 2 or 3 categories. So in some cases here, there'll be organizations that didn't actually present in your particular category on the day, but they will have won the category award because still their best practice is related to that category. So the jury here are just looking for each particular category, looking across all the different applications and trying to identify the strongest of them. For some of the categories as well, we'd have multiple 7-star best practices. So in those cases, only one of the 7-star best practices could be the winner of that particular category. So in some cases, a 7-star best practice has not won a category prize. It's still reached a pinnacle achievement, but it's not won a category prize because for these category prizes, we only have 1 winner per category. Also, to be a winner of a category as well, you've got to achieve at least 5 stars. But most of these you'll see are 6 stars or 7 stars best practices. There are a few which are also 5 stars, but the majority are 6 or 7 star. So it's quite a challenge for the jury looking across again all the best practices, seeing which categories they relate to, and then selecting the strongest. So here we go. One winner per category. And these, as a reminder to you, are the 21 categories. So you can start to think about which categories does your best practice relate to. For leadership, the winner is
Bangkok Hospital, Pattaya, Thailand, for their best practice, improving clinical outcomes through value-based care.
For governance, the winner is
Dubai Municipality, UAE, for their best practice, leading practices in internal audit, governance, and ESG.
For social responsibility, the winner is
Aster DM Healthcare, UAE, for their best practice, advancing health equity through Aster Volunteers SDG commitment.
For environmental sustainability, the winner is
Al Ain City Municipality, UAE, for their best practices in preservation of Al Ain Oasis.
For strategic planning, the best practices.
Abu Dhabi Ports, UAE, for their best practice from digital foundation to centralized planning excellence.
For strategy deployment and performance management, the winner is
Dammam Medical Complex, Saudi Arabia, for the best practice case management framework for improved patient flow and outcomes.
For customer market focus, the winner is
Ajman Police General Headquarters, UAE, for their best practice honoring the deceased.
For the design of products and services, the winner is
Labotel LLC, UAE, for their best practice self-cook kitchen facilities for staff accommodation.
For supplier relationships and partnerships, the winner is
Abu Dhabi Ports Group, UAE, for their best practice collaborative paper pulp operations hub.
For education, training, development and learning, the winner is
Bridgestone Business Services SA, Costa Rica, for the best practice citizen developer empowering innovation through low-code training.
For teamwork, empowerment, motivation and satisfaction, the winner is
DBL Pakistan, for their best practice building a feedback-driven culture for learning and growth.
For employee health, safety and well-being, the winner is
Fujairah Police Headquarters, UAE, for the best practice, your voice is your safety.
For workforce planning, recruitment and retention, the winner is
Bridgestone Business Services, SA, Costa Rica, for the best practice, capacity analysis automation for optimizing resource utilization.
For process improvement project, the winner is
Seha Kidney Care, UAE, for their best practice, personalized exit site care in peritoneal dialysis, preventing infections.
For improvement initiatives, the winner is
Abu Dhabi Ports Group, UAE, for their best practice, Tawfeer Committee, driving savings and improvement across organizations.
For innovation systems and approaches, the winner is
Godrej Construction India, for their best practice, fostering an innovation culture for sustainable business performance.
For innovation projects, the winner is
Dubai Police UAE, for their best practice, Dubai Police Digital Twin and Crime Scene Reconstruction.
For management of assets, the winner is
Abu Dhabi Ports Group UAE, for their best practice, IntelliOps real-time assets optimization at AD Ports Group.
For risk management, the winner is
Eastern Health Cluster, Saudi Arabia, for their best practice, unified electronic safety reporting platform for safer patient care.
For digital technology transformation project, the winner is
Sharjah Police Headquarters, UAE, for their best practice, Muwasat Initiative, digital transformation in bereavement services.
For digital technology transformation initiative and multiple processes or services, the winner is
Mohammed bin Rashid Housing Establishment, UAE, for their best practice, smart housing platform, redefining government service delivery.
So congratulations to all of you. Very well done indeed. We're now going to go to the Pioneer in Excellence prizes. And this will be explained on the next page what this is. So this is the first winner. This is the winner for the organization that have had the highest number of best practices assessed at 7 stars. The winner is
Al Ain City Municipality, UAE, with 2 best practices.
Congratulations, amazing achievement. The next winner is for certificates for organizations that have had the highest number of best practice assessed at 6 stars and above.
Abu Dhabi Ports Group, UAE, with 4 best practices.
Next, for the highest number of best practice assessed at 5 stars and above.
Abu Dhabi Ports Group, UAE, with 11 best practices.
And finally, the highest number of best practices assessed at 4 stars and above.
Abu Dhabi Ports Group, UAE, with 15 best practices.
So congratulations to Abu Dhabi Ports. So again, this is breeding excellence inside the organization with so many outstanding best practices. This is a new certificate for this year in recognition of organizations with 3 or more international best practices. Therefore, they've been assessed at 5 stars and above. This is again encouraging organizations to embrace the journey to excellence and have more best practices inside their organization. So the more 5-star best practices you have, the closer your organization moves to excellence. So we'll now announce these organizations. Firstly, Dr. Almas.
Abu Dhabi Ports Group, UAE, with 11 best practices.
The second recognized organization here is
Eastern Health Cluster, Saudi Arabia, with 9 best practices.
the next to be recognized is
Ajman Police, UAE, with 5 best practices.
So again, all of these are best practices rated at 5 stars or above. The next is
Al Ain City Municipality, UAE, with 3 best practices.
The next is
Ras Al Khaimah Police Headquarters, UAE, with 3 best practices.
So again, amazing achievement, 3 best practices rated 5 stars or above. The next is
Environment Agency Abu Dhabi, UAE, with 3 best practices.
Again, once again, congratulations. And next
Dubai
is
Municipality, UAE, with 3 best practices.
very well done indeed. And the next is
Godrej Construction, India, with 3 best practices.
So that brings to a conclusion all these awards. So congratulations to all of you. You've done an outstanding job. We've loved working with you over this long time, to be honest, but it's been a very enjoyable time working with you. And you really motivate us all. You know, you motivate my team, and I'm sure you're motivating the other participants too when they see the quality of the best practices. So thank you so much indeed for all your hard work. It's absolutely tremendous. And even though we've recognized organizations today for their achievement, really every organization that's participated in this competition has done a fabulous job. And the purpose of this competition is to encourage you to improve even more, bring more best practices next year, get stronger and stronger. So if you've got a 5-star this year, get a 6-star next year. If you've got a 6-star this year, get a 7-star next year. So please do learn from this experience. Look at those best practices that have achieved 7 stars, watch them on the bpr.com, and this will give you an understanding of how to get to that particular level. So once again, all of you will receive your verified credentials by the 22nd of September. If not, that's my team members Ahmed Abbas's fault. I'm sure he'll deliver. So contact him as well. If you haven't got bpr.com access, please get in touch with him. Again, we'll be in contact with you very soon as well. If you'd like a meeting with my team, we'd welcome that, even just to say hello. So thank you so much for your participation, and start planning for 2026. It'll come around very soon indeed. Congratulations to all. Thank you.
Congratulations, everyone. Well done indeed. Long journey. Very well done.
Anybody's quite welcome to say anything, otherwise we'll end the session very soon.
Would you like to share your experience?
Hi, everybody. How are you? It is
Great.
a wonderful time to celebrate the successes of people. And I believe this year we had huge amount of wonderful proposals and wonderful presentations. It has been a learning journey for us as judges, and I believe a wonderful experience for all participants. I'm humbled to be part of this annual event. We learn a lot from my colleagues, the organizers, and of course, the star presenters. So I would like to thank everybody for all their effort and for all their great work, and for always providing us with innovative ideas outside the box. Congratulations, everybody, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sihan. Always bringing light to the competition. And lots of love as well.
More love. Thank you, Dr. Sihan.
You are welcome. I'm sure everybody is thrilled. Yes, I'm sure.
Yes.
Okay, I think we'll bring it to conclusion. Last chance for anybody to say anything. Hopefully we see you again soon. Okay, take care, everybody.
The amount of work that goes into all of this, it must take you hours and hours, and the initiatives that you have to evaluate are just amazing. There should be more winners, I think, in some of the ideas that come forward. I found it a wonderful process to be part of. I know you said I'd got rose-tinted glasses because I thought they were all good, but I really did. Thank you so much, and it's been great to be part of this great initiative. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rami. Okay, last chance. I think people are a little bit shy.
Yes.
I think they're so happy and they're overwhelmed.
Okay, you can share with us your celebration plans.
I just want to thank you all for having such great ideas and initiatives. I mean, as Romy said, it was stunning. It's the first time I've been involved, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Rob. Okay, it's time to go now, but so we hope to see you very soon, and certainly see you back in 2026 with even stronger best practices, more best practices, and we'll be celebrating even more best practices at the end of 2026 when we have the next award ceremony. It will take even longer to celebrate. Thank you so much indeed. See you all again. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.